In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict mature content on your YouTube account. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you want to restrict mature content from being displayed on your YouTube account, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and open your YouTube app, and from here, go ahead and click on your profile down below here. And if I tap on my profile icon, this will go ahead and open my profile, and under this, head over to this gear button and tap on it. From here, choose General and then go to Restricted Mode. Currently, you can see it is disabled, meaning potentially mature videos are not hidden on my account. So to hide or to restrict them, go ahead and turn on this. And I'm told this helps hide potentially mature videos, but you are also informed that no filter is 100% accurate. This only applies to this app on this device. So if you change a device, you might be exposed to this. So from here now, if you've been sharing your account or your phone with minors, then they will be safe from potentially mature content. However, you're told this is not 100% accurate. So you still need to apply some guardrails. So that's how you can restrict mature content on your YouTube account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.